Hello, teacher. Hello, everybody. My name is Phạm Hoàng Thanh Thủy. My ID 4515. In your group, 2v1. Today, I would like to which homework be fighting. Open your mind by my family. Let's go. My family is small. There are four people in my family. I have a I have a father, a mother, and a brother. Mm, my mother is a teacher. My father works in an office. My brother is younger than me. Mm, mm. We like to watch TV together. My mother cooks delicious food. Mm. We have dinner rest in the table every night. I love my family very much. Um, mm, and thank you for listening.